Loran Steinlage Farms is in northeast Iowa where the growing season averages about 140 days a year. That leaves Steinlage with little room for error in interseeding cover crops between his commercial crops. He's been working with startup company Rantizo on a project using drones to plant before the weather gets too cold. He was featured in this presentation from the Memphis, Tennessee Ag Launch Virtual Field Day.
Rantizo Drone Company is a company we've been working with the last 2 years. To my knowledge, they're the first drone company to get a commercial application license, and now they've pushed forward this summer. They actually have the first swarming permit where they can actually run 3 to 4 drones in the field at the same time with one operator. Biggest thing we reached out to them for when we first got connected was we're trying to figure out how to fill the niche market with cover crops, getting them in a window that allows us to fill the void created by Mother Nature as she's changed the rules on us a little. In far northeast Iowa, we do not have the after harvest option most people would have. Generally we will be froze up 3 to 4 weeks after harvest. So, our best option is start figuring out how to interseed or relay companion cropping or cover crops. And they allow us that flexibility. We've had them seeding cover crops into standing crop. Seems very efficient way to do it, that very non-invasive, and we can get the job done very timely. Both times we've had them out here, they've been in between rain showers. We can get in really tight spots that an airplane or helicopter can't get in. This year we just got done setting up test plots, stuff like that I know not airplane or helicopter or even a ground rig would have a hard time accommodating. Part of the whole ag launch deal is to connect these innovators with the farmer network to test these technologies out and help them ground truth them to get some actual real farmer data.